हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। अगर आपने मेरा लास्ट वीडियो देखा होगा तो आपको पता होगा कि वी हैव शिफ्टेड टू अ न्यू हाउस और इस घर में हमें कोई वाटर प्यूरीफायर नहीं मिला था। वी हैड टू बाय अ न्यू वन और हमने खरीदा अर्बन कंपनी का नेटिव M2। It's been almost 2 months of using this water purifier, and in this video I'll be sharing my experience with it. I'll be covering all the topics that are mentioned on the screen. If you want to know whether this purifier is getting all the attention for the right reasons and to know if this is the right fit for you, keep on watching. In the box, you will be receiving two things. One is the water purifier and one is the installation kit. इंस्टॉलेशन के लिए आप टेक्नीशियन का विजिट यूसी ऐप से शेड्यूल कर सकते हैं. इट इज़ कम्प्लीटली फ्री ऑफ चार्ज. इंस्टॉलेशन विल टेक अप्रॉक्सीमेटली हाफ एन आवर. This purifier comes with 10-stage water purification system with RO plus UV and copper technologies. As the water was alkaline, for the initial 2 days the taste was little different, but then we got used to it. This purifier claims to treat the water up to 2500 ppm and it can filter up to 12,000 liters of water without any service required. The storage capacity is 8 liters. There are 3 touch options given. The first one will give you 300 ml of water, second one will give you 1 liter and the third one is approximately 3 liters in one go. There is a retractable tray which is given at the bottom of the purifier to keep the bottle. You do not require to hold the bottle or glass till it gets filled. You can use this tray to fill up to 1 liter of water. With the UC app in your phone, you can do the real-time TDS monitoring. You will find the TDS of both the source water and the filtered water. You will also find all the filter and membrane health on the app itself, and in case something is going to expire, you will get an alert as well. It will also give you water consumption details on daily basis. This water purifier comes with 2-year UC warranty on everything, so there is no maintenance cost for up to 2 years. They are claiming to save up to 50% of waste water. However, I did not feel that. मुझे हमेशा ऐसे लगा कि waste water काफ़ी ज़्यादा आता है इससे. Previously, I had used AO Smith water purifier और उसमें waste water actually में काफ़ी कम आता था. With this, I felt it is more. Anyways, I don't discard the waste water. I use it to clean my balconies or sometimes to clean the washrooms. This purifier is power dependent, so if there is no power, there won't be any water. Storage tank में होगा तब भी नहीं आएगा. तो अगर आपके यहाँ पे पावर बैकअप का इशू है तो आई वुड एडवाइस कि आप पानी स्टोर करके रखिए टू यूज़ इन सच सिनेरियोज. When it comes to price, I feel कि ये बाकी conventional water purifiers से थोड़ा महंगा है, but it comes with 2 years of warranty, so your maintenance cost, AMCs and stress is saved there. For that, the upfront cost seems to justify itself. In conclusion, I would like to say अगर आप एक smart water purifier ढूंढ रहे हैं जहाँ पे आपको बहुत ज़्यादा maintenance करवाने का झंझट नहीं लेना है, then it is a good choice. That is all for this video. I hope this will help you to take a call whether to buy it or not. Give it a like if you found it helpful, and if you have any queries you can comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll be seeing you very soon in my next. Bye bye.